Hello, traders. It's been a minute. Couldn't record a video for a while. It's been a couple of weeks now. I've been onto some other things, so couldn't make a video. But I've been trading and losing as well, and making some money as well, a little bit, but mostly losing in the past few days. So I hope you guys were doing good and sound. So let's get into today's video after a while. So let's see what's the narrative we have today. Uh, I would like to have a story before going into a trade. So I need to have something to fall onto. I need a story before I get to the get to a trade. So let's try to go and have a look about the gold price and see if I can make a story out of it. So looking at the weekly time frame, we can see the gold has been falling down for some time now, and after months, it just made a new new weekly support by making a bullish candle, and the price is bouncing off of one of the major weekly support level. Let's go into the daily chart. In the daily chart, we can see uh, it broke this strong support and resistance zone and came back and touched again, made a lower high and tried to make a lower low. And finally, the price came to this level, which is the uh, weekly support level, and tried couple of times to break it through, but the buyers came in and they started pushing the price up. So let's see the story behind this 4 hour chart. Uh, we could see something beautiful on this chart because we can see the price broke out of from this level and made the low, and we can see the indication. Let me get this tool as well there. Where is it? Arrow. Uh, nah, bro. Yeah, that's better. So what I was telling is that price broke below this level, made an indication, and then it made the correction, came to this level, made the lower high. Let's label everything down, brother. Lower high, it made this lower high, and then start the continuation. So continuation broke this level as well, and then came to this weekly support area, which I explained you earlier. And also we can clearly say that it made a triple bottom and failed to make a proper lower low. So before going to that, let's go step by step, so we can have a better story behind the price action. All right, I was telling that 4 hour chart made an indication, correction, and a continuation. And what we should have a close look into is that this move, that's a very good move, showing good resistance and making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Likewise, we have a nice 4 hour trend. the price finally came to make this lower high there, and after making that lower high, what it should do, it's supposed to go break below and make a lower low, but it couldn't. Instead, it started coming up. It started coming up by breaking this breaking this uh, breaking this resistance, and also coming back above this above this uh, above this level. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what's going on there as well. So as I said, it made this nice trend, and finally once it made this lower high, it couldn't break and go below. Instead, it started making these lower highs, uh, uh, this lower high, and it made this higher low. Instead of making a lower low, it created this higher low, and then the price came up and started breaking this resistance, and made this higher high, right? Once it made this high high, I waited for a retest and make a higher low right here for me to take a trade. So I saw this opportunity and took this buy. And for the sake of safety, I initially kept my stop loss there, but I was targeting the whole move up to here. But at that time I was in a big drawdown in my account, so I needed to take my account into a healthy level. So I therefore I took some. I got out from the trade a little bit early, somewhere right around right here. So once the price started closing candles above this level, like the one here, I took my stop loss to this level. So that was the trade. That was a clean trade I took last week. Uh, so if we now if we look at what's happening right now and what we should expect for the next week, let's dig into that as well. So I get this one out from the charts. Instead, let's take this one as well. All right. Now we can see price is making high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high high, and probably this mark could be a high low. If the price come up here, and make a close above, and then I might consider a buy for the price to come further up and touch this trend line or this resistance as well. But I'll just wait and see what the price is gonna do around this area. Whether it won't to go break above and make a support and go and making high highs, then I'll consider buy. Other than that, I'll just wait and see what the price is gonna do around this area, right? Depending on what it shows me, I will decide to take a sell or buy, right? So the other thing it could do is that now it has broken this, it broke this strong resistance, and it broke this strong resistance, and the price could come down and make a retest here, somewhere around here, and could start um, complete the. So I would expect something like this. Price could come down, make a lower high here or somewhere there, right? So price could come down somewhere here, make a high low, and then break above and complete the move from here. It could do that as well, and the other option could be, and the other thing the price could do is that it could break through this resistance, make a support here, and continue the bullish movement up to here. All right. Other than that, yeah, those two other scenarios I would expect during the next week. Probably, if the price could continue this bullish movement and respect these lows, this is 1 hour chart. So if the price could respect these support areas and keep making the higher lows, then it could continue the momentum up to here. Otherwise, the other option I already mentioned is that it could touch these areas and break these lows, make a lower high, and come down somewhere here, or even all the way down here. We don't know that. My battery also running out now. So it says that I should wind this up because it's already gone too long. This is a bit too long video. So it's not that too long. It's only 14 minutes, 14 to 15 minutes, right? All right. Those are the two scenarios I would be expecting tomorrow, not tomorrow, during the next coming week. And basically, I'll be looking at what the price is going to do in this area, right? I'll let the price to do its thing for a while, and then I'll pick my side. That's the safest way to secure your capital and your especially your mental health, right? All right, then I'll wish you all a very good uh, week with your trading journey. Adios and have fun. Cheers.